Go, Jamie. Forward, Jamie. Forward, Jamie. Good.
Good.
Yeah, nice.
Swing of hands. Boom.
Right, control
position.
Hips back, Jamie. Hips back. Control crossface. Looking for that right arm crossface, Jamie. Right arm crossface. Good. Keep the hips back. Relax there, Jamie.
Push his wrist down. Push his wrist down.
Keep the hips. Good. Keep the hips tight. Good. And you just get him down again. Good. Pull his knees back. Pull his legs back, Jamie. Pull him back. Good. Keep him there. Keep the legs in tight. Keep the legs in tight. Keep him there. Keep him there. Good. One push back. Take him back with Jenny. Take him back. Not sideways. Pull down, Jenny. Let's go. Pull it up to show his face, Jenny. Left hand on his face. Left hand, Jenny. Get the left hand through. Left hand through on his face. Good. Oh, push, Jenny. That's good. That's good. Keep it there. Keep it there. Run that frame.
You can get on the back there. You can slip up on the back.
Go ahead.
Think about slip around the back, Jamie. Slip out the back. Slip out the back door.
Push that arm. The right arm.
Jamie, push your arm. Push your elbow. Slip out the back door. There you go. You got it, son.
Get that left leg up. Get that left leg up. Keep it tight, Jamie. Get that guard. Good. Hold it. Get your left leg up, Jamie. Left leg up. Get the guard. Pull guard. Pull guard. Pull guard. Pull guard. Yeah, nice. Lock it on. Good, Jamie. Good. Keep it there. Keep it there. Come on, Jamie. Sink it in. Come on. Hold it tight. Pull his head. Hold him down. Push his head in. Good. Keep it there, Jamie.
He'll take this in if we go for submission.
Good. Keep it there, Jamie. Keep it there. Nice and tight.
Jamie.
Push the head in, Jamie.
He can pull his ankle and take the sweep.
Make sure his arms are put.
Jamie can sweep. Oh, fucking hell.
It's a submission. Good, Jamie. And again, lock him up. Good, Jamie. Lift that triangle. Lift that triangle again. Good, Jamie, up. Jamie, straight forward. You ain't got much time.
Take down, Jamie. Take him down. Straight
forward, Jamie. Forward. Time. Go on, Jamie. Let's go. Forward. Jamie, drive.
Good. Sweep him. Sweep. Use your foot to sweep it.
Good work.
My position. Get full mount. Get full mount. Good.
Yeah. Hold it. Hold it there. Now just relax. Get your knees to the mat. Knees to the mat. Hooks in. Knees to the mat. Hooks in. Spread your face, Jamie. Spread your hands.
Hooks in, Jamie.
Good guys. Look for a submission.
He took full mount there. It should be around his.
Sweep him, Jamie.
No, don't empty that.
Keep that leg, Jamie. Keep that leg. Good work, Jamie. Good work. Keep in half guard. Good. Stay in half guard and start working out. Good work.